Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, here it is. Here's the finale of What's in the Box. Well, I appreciate everybody playing along. I had a great time. I hope you did too. And we're going to have more coming along. In fact, I'm getting ready to issue another What's in the Box video here coming up real soon. So watch for that, and I'll be giving away some more free stuff as well. So here we go. Let's go ahead and open this up. And as I mentioned in the first video, I'm not sure what's in here myself because I ordered random dates. So what dates they sent me, I don't know. So when I threw it out there for you guys, I didn't even know the answer to the question. So let's get this thing open and see where it's at. Looks like it's going to be pretty tough to open, so you might have to be patient for a moment. So let me start by cutting this side and seeing where we go from here. I guess it'll be the best thing to do. Well, it looks like we got some information underneath here, so that means they packaged it up to keep it safe. Alright, so, man, here we go. Here's the box. And I will probably pull it off screen momentarily because I'm sure there's probably an invoice in there. But rest assured, what I'm showing you is what was in the box. So let me flip it over. Take a little peek in there. Gonna cut these open. Okay. That's a little brochure. And we'll throw that aside. And inside here we got another package that's apparently glued to the bottom. Alright, let's get this out of here. Alright, get the glue off of there. Now we can get the cardboard out of the way. Still haven't seen an invoice yet, so it may be inside here. I don't order from this company very often. Anybody that does probably knows who that is. But it's on Yankee Road. Interesting. So let me go ahead and slice it this way. This outer wrapping off of here. Okay, there's one of the items. And here is the other item. Boy, these are supposed to be BU. Maybe I misread it. It looked like BU inside of there. I know that they're random dates, but I'm gonna check my order because I can see some pretty dirty ones in there. Of course, BU can still tone. We can't forget about that. Well, let's get this thing open. See what it is. I think most of you know what it is by this time. It is a tube of American Silver Eagles, but one of the things I required was the dates. So it came with random dates, and most of the time when you order random dates, they send all the same day. But this one with the different coloring doesn't seem to look like it. So let's take a look here. Turn my light down a little bit. It's a little better. It's a 2013 and a 2013 and a 2013 and a 2013 and a 2013. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit for you guys. There we go. That looks a little better, doesn't it? So far we've got 6 2013s, 2013, and a 2013. Looks like they're all going to be 2013s, folks. So we got ourselves a tube of ASEs, all 2013s, and brilliant uncirculated. They sure look nice on the tops. Just not sure why the sides look so discolored. This one's got a little bit of toning on the side there. Sorry, I haven't been watching my camera to make sure I'm in line with you guys. Sorry about that. 2013. Okay, so there's some toning on there. See it down by the date, and look at the side of it's really dark. So what happens are this tiny little piece, something laying across the top of it like that, and left this exposed apparently. It must be the way that that happens. Of course, I help it out by sticking my fingers all over it. So here's the first item that was in there. You see here that some of these do have some toning on the side. And I don't care. I really don't care. Silver tarnishes. We all know that. So no big deal. But you know, the tops of them, they're pretty nice looking coins. Very nice, huh? I haven't bought some American Silver Eagles in a while, so pretty stoked about getting another tube of them. So that's right, I zoomed in a little bit, didn't I? So let's see if I can zoom back out a little bit. There we go. Okay, so that's the first thing that was in the box. And I told you there's multiple items. And let's go ahead and take a look at the other thing that was in the box. Alright, so let's cut this open carefully and get to this. Covered it pretty well. And here we go. It is a Canadian maple leaf, 1/4 ounce. And again, it was a random date. I'm always excited to see what dates they send me. And let's see what date this one is. Do we see it there? It is 1983. Wow. I don't think I have a 1983. That's got to be one of the first years I made them. 1983, yeah. Look at that. Probably still in the packaging that it was sent to the dealers in. The young Elizabeth there. And look at that. I put it underneath the coin cam, but I don't know. I'm gonna plan to take it out of the original packaging. I'm gonna put it in an airtight, but I don't know where my airtights are right now, so I really don't want to take it out now. But let's go to the coin cam and take a look at this beautiful coin. There we go. Wow, pretty nice, huh? I probably have. Let me try a different filter here. Well, that's pretty nice. It does a pretty good job there. So you can see a 1/4 ounce, 9999, 4 9s. Let's flip it over here, 1983. Wow, pretty nice, huh? So what would that be? About a 36-year-old coin, huh? Pretty awesome. Pretty stoked. That's why I like the random years. You just never know what you're going to get. Sure, if I would have logged on and bought a 1983, it probably would have come with a nice premium. So anyway, that's what we got here. We've got 20 American Silver Eagles. 2013 is the year. And let me zoom in a little bit here. Let's get a better picture of these beauties. And we got a 1/4 ounce of gold Canadian maple leaf. So at this point, I don't know who the winner was. I'm recording this before we get the answer, but whoever you are, congratulations. Sending you a nice, beautiful, I've got it right here. Let's put this beauty back on the screen for a minute. A nice, beautiful, proof 999 silver, $10 face value coin. And again, we talked about how the case, the capsule was a little beaten up, but the proof coin inside is in perfect condition. We looked at it on the coin cam on the first video. And I'll put a link to the first video down at the bottom, and I'll also put a card sliding across here to get you a quick link to it as well. So congratulations to the winner. And I'd just like to say, if you follow me and have watched my videos, you would have known that one of my objectives for the year, one of my goals, my 2019 strategies, was to get a tube of Eagles and a 1/4 ounce of gold for the month. And this is my month purchase. And so I thought maybe that might help somebody get a little bit of a clue that may have went back, or somebody that follows me, to what I may have purchased. And although I was trying very hard not to show the weight of it in the original video, You could tell by the way I was moving that package around that it definitely had some weight to it. So that was a little bit of a clue, I think. So yeah, so there you go. 20 American Silver Eagles, 1/4 ounce Canadian Maple Leaf, and that is it. So I hope you guys enjoyed having fun with what's in the box. And I've got another video coming shortly, so stay tuned and look out for it because I will be giving away some more free stuff with it. So that's it for now, and always remember, let's keep talking bullion.